Hi students, hello, good evening. Good evening, my young scientists after a long time, my young scientists, mathematicians, astrologers, astronomers, जो भी है सब कुछ everything. How are you? What's up? Everybody can see me, hear me clearly. Today is going to be an amazing session on sequence and series. This is a score booster program. Score booster program का मतलब क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे we solve questions which you generally do not solve. यानी कि questions of your miscellaneous and exemplar. Miscellaneous questions and your exemplar questions. How important is this exemplar? I think I cannot talk about this more because it will be whatever I say it will be less. Exemplar and miscellaneous questions are those questions with the help of which you can score 100 on 100 in maths. Yes people, 100 on 100 in maths with the help of your exemplar and miscellaneous questions. If you just do your NCERT textbook, will that be enough, ma'am? That is what you asked me. Yes people, will that be enough? My answer to that is it is sufficient, but I mean it is necessary, but it is not sufficient because if you want 100 and 100, you do not want to miss even one mark, then you have to solve some extra questions, and that is what the aim of this session is. Score booster extra questions. 11th standard people, this is a session for you after a long time. In the past week we had certain mixed, funny and very interesting sessions for you. If you haven't checked out, please go and check out how to do fast calculations in mathematics and complete formula revision. I am also going to come up with complete formula revision of 11th standard. So do you guys want that complete formula revision of 11th standard? It will be super fun and super helpful for you. Hi Roshni. Complete formula revision of 11th standard. Completely you will get maths part 1 and part 2. That is going to be your upcoming session, so do not miss out on any session. Today is Wednesday. You have to stay tuned to Friday and next Monday for the complete formula revision. Hi Tejas, good evening. What's up? How are you? So this was the last time's response which I would like to highlight. It's Khushi Jha yet again. I think इसको कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए because every time consistently she is giving the right answer, that was the fastest answer. And last time तो मतलब मजा ही आ गया. So many students give me right answer. The homework answer was 0, very correct, and homework answer 0 by Purvi Bhatt. All rounder says homework answer is 0, and the puzzle answer is also given by Purvi Bhatt. All rounder, which is T and V. That's very correct. T and V was the answer to the puzzle. The puzzle question था कि भाई after B, C, E, what should be the next term? है ना? So answer is T is the next term and उसके next V. Why? Because they are rhyming. You can see the ending is E, T, V, B, C. IJKL is different, है ना? You do not sound like that. So answer very good. KM Yadav has given the right answer. After that, arrays. Rudraksh, puzzle answer T. Dimple Acharya, P बोला है, बिल्कुल सही. All the same rhyme, right? Riya Kumari has given. Kiran Sharma has given. Mubashir has given. Wow, wow, wow. So many students. I thought I should include many of yours name because after you put so much efforts in commenting in solving the question, then इतना तो बनता है मैम की तरफ से. So lots and lots of hearts for all my champs. All my champs. Lots of love from my side to you, and stay tuned to the entire session so that you get again the quiz puzzle of the day, the homework question of the day in the end. ठीक है? So whoever answers fastest and the correct will be displayed again in the next session. Okay, Tejas, are you up for it? Now, before I actually start with today's session, that is sequence and series extra problems, I would like to tell you that please ask your doubts in the comment section. One must always keep on asking doubts and it will be answered in the beginning of next session. So along with the answer, homework answer and puzzle answer, I also want doubts from you guys so I can take it in the next session. It will be helpful for all of you. So let's keep this habit, let's maintain this habit of doubt asking. Also, let's encourage more and more doubts. This was the homework question whose answer came out to be equal to 0. Let's start on a very positive note. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. The secret to getting ahead is all about getting started, people. अगर आपने आज से शुरू कर लिया कि मुझे शुरू करनी है अपनी गाड़ी को, तभी तो आप आगे बढ़ोगे. अगर आप सिर्फ सोच रहे हो कल कल कल, that tomorrow is never going to come. That tomorrow will never ever come in your life. Myself, Varsha Tiwari, and I'm your mathematics teacher on NCERT channel. I've been teaching from past 4 to 5 years for 11th, 12th class people and have produced various ranks. You can join our Telegram group for all the latest updates. I keep on brainstorming, I keep on working hard for you guys so that I can produce the best content, the best material, and the best possible way for you. So coming up with a complete formula revision, some math tricks, some calculation tips by me. Very amazing sessions are up online, so you have to be a part of our Telegram group so that you do not miss on anything. You can join it using the link which is provided here. Also, please, if you appreciate the efforts taken by all of your lovely teachers, then do like, subscribe and share this video. You have to like, share and subscribe. Any of your friend is planning to solve questions on sequence and series, the person can quickly on this video and just check out all the problems on one go. This is so helpful for problem solving. If you are sitting for problem solving with me, make sure that you're sitting with a pen and book so that you keep on solving along with me. And along with that, एक आपके फायदे की बात बता दूं आपको, something that is for your benefit. YouTube is there to help you. The NCERT channel is completely dedicated for your preparation of NCERT. But what is the problem in YouTube? What is the problem that we are doing and what extra you need? You might be facing some concept difficulty. You want your doubts to be resolved. That's not possible on YouTube immediately. If you ask me the doubts in comment section, I may reply it in the next session. So that's somehow not possible here. Next, you may want the concept to be taught again by the teacher. You want that to be explained again. It's a one-way communication kind of. So I cannot explain the concept again. You have to rewatch the video. But if you have a platform wherein you can ask your doubts immediately, it's clear from morning till night. Photo खींच के डाल दिया हो गया. टीचर को लाइव पूछ दिया, डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए. आपका कॉन्सेप्ट डिटेल में पढ़ाया जा रहा है. You are getting testing. YouTube पे I cannot give you the test. YouTube पे I cannot give you the test because my dear students, it's not possible. This is not a platform where I can test how much you are actually taking in. But you also need testing, only then you will understand whether you are actually doing it or not. You need assignments. यहाँ पे we give you the lecture का PDF notes, but assignments are not provided. Daily DPPs, daily practice problems that will boost up your preparations, that will actually increase your score. So these are fundamental things which a child needs. And if you look out for a Vedantu's platform, if you look out for Vedantu's platform, you will come to know that all these things are kept in mind while making some course for you. While we design any course for you, all the experts sit together. The experts, when I say yes, there are teachers who have produced all India ranks 1, 3, 5, 9 and so on. They sit together, they keep the student at the center. The center is student and then everything happens. everything is designed. The platform is made very interactive. अगर ये एक one way communication है. Now you are in 11th standard, right? You have little more time compared to your 12th buddies. So now how do we utilize this time? You want an interactive session so that you stay tuned, you do not get bored, है ना? बोर नहीं होना चाहिए, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपको क्विजेस टेस्टिंग होनी चाहिए. तो यार so many features will be available to you in your preference of language. If all this I say is available to you at just a price of 1,835 or 4,759 or 7,819 for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months, then what else do you want? Hi Amog, hi Pran. Yes, I'm here beta. If you calculate the daily price, it's just a bottle of Coke or a Lay's ka packet, है ना? This is just something very cheap that you get for a 20% discount if you are using a coupon code of a teacher. But main thing is, if you take this pro subscription, you get a lot of benefits. You get all the micro courses, Amog. You get all the modular courses. You get crash courses. You get revision series. You get doubt solving unlimited. You get lectures whose recordings are with you for the time period that you take. So many, all the benefits of platform तुम्हारा है, वो तुम्हारा बन जाता है फिर. The platform is yours, everything is yours. So it's so much, you can try it out for 1 month and check how this pro subscription is helping you. Okay, so let's start with the session. Amog, Pran. See, the main reason behind telling you why this pro subscription is so good with whole of confidence is because there are results. Vedantu has produced results and results talk, people. Results talk. There are students who were unable to talk fluently, who were very much scared of your physics and chemistry. Who are scared of your physics and chemistry, but now today they are the brand ambassadors of certain companies. They are the CEOs. They are into Australia. They are into Texas, sitting there managing a company. They are doing these things, being a part of a Vedantu student. Today they have reached certain heights. So it's all about that. It's all about your commitment, dedication, and perseverance. It's about your commitment, dedication, and perseverance, my dear student. अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ करके दिखाना है, कुछ अच्छा करना है, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप घर बैठे या फिर आप सोचो कि हम वीडियोस देख कर बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. It's a little difficult. You need a proper guidance. आपको चाहिए कि कोई एक ऐसा टीचर मिले जो मुझे गाइड करे और जिसका हर जो स्टेटमेंट होगा ना वो आपके लिए इट विल बी लाइक अ रामबाण आपको पता होगा इफ यू नो, है ना, कि वो जो बोल दिया अगर आपने वो फॉलो करना शुरू कर दिया तो योर लाइफ विल स्टार्ट चेंजिंग. Always make a guru in your life and be very careful when you select your guru. I'm not saying make me your guru. नहीं, no, not at all. There are various बहुत महारथी लोग पढ़े वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म पे, बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स हैं. Whoever you feel comfortable, whoever you feel that they are talking for your benefit. They are not talking for their benefit, but they are talking for your benefit. You should listen to them because that's how life changes people. ये पहले से चला आता गया है, पुराने जमाने से, ये आज की बात नहीं है. You always need someone to guide you, to bring you into a discipline whenever you are going out, है ना. ये जरूरी होता है लाइफ में. तो मतलब इस चीज को अगर आप ध्यान में रख के आगे बढ़ रहे हो तो आपको बहुत उसका फायदा होगा. हाय ओमकार धिंगे. Okay, Amog. So sequence and series. Now, as you know, this is an extra question problem solving session. So here we generally don't discuss the theory part because theory we have done one shot videos, we have done full session videos. So you can check out the playlist very well. Sequence and series के बहुत सारे videos मिल जाएंगे made by me only. But what we are interested right here in problem solving. So this whatever theory is there behind the chapters, you just need to know formulas. So I'll quickly highlight the formulas in next 2 minutes and we will start with the questions, people. Any nth term is Sn minus 1. I am not going to tell you what is Tn, what is Sn. यार ये तो basics है ना, ये तो आना चाहिए यहाँ पे because we are talking of 100 on 100. Arithmetic progression when the constant difference is equal, the difference is constant. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d and Sn is equal to n by t, first term plus last term, or n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's also a formula. Selection of terms, if you have to select 3, 4 or 5 terms, this is your common difference and these are your terms. Have a look at it. You will get this PDF after the session. Geometric progression. What is geometric progression? When the consecutive terms are in constant ratio, where nth term is a r raised to n minus 1. Sum of n terms of a GP is this. You may also encounter this formula in your book. Both are one and the same. Yeah. Use any, both are one and the same. If the constant ratio is equal to 1, Sn is given by n into a, and if there are infinite terms, Sn is given by a upon 1 minus r. Remember that your r should be greater than minus 1 and less than 1. That's mod r less than 1. ये होना चाहिए. When your r is greater than 1, तो आप infinite terms का summation नहीं निकाल सकते. Selection of terms, it's again r, r square, r for common ratio, and these are your terms 3, 4 and 5. Geometric mean is given by b square is equal to ac if your terms are a, b, c. If your terms are a, b, c, d, और आपको ये चारों का geometric mean चाहिए, तो geometric mean is fourth root of a, b, c, d. The number of terms उतना root है ना. If there are 2 terms and you want the geometric mean is equal to square root of ab. 3 terms a, b, c, and you want the geometric mean, it's equal to cube root of a, b, c. That's how we get geometric mean. Arithmetic mean, there are 2 terms, we need the arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. There is certain relation between arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. It's alphabetically. अगर याद नहीं रहता तो A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What comes first? A comes first, so A is greater. That's how you remember. Let's start with the question. Here is the question, people. And today I am also going to give you options for certain questions. Now this question is a show that question. तो इसमें option नहीं दिखा सकते. But कुछ questions I am going to give you time to solve and you should answer me. Yes, ready people? Are you ready to solve questions now? Come on, let's say something in the chat box. हल्ला मचाओ, हल्ला मचाओ. Yeah. चलो, show that x square plus xy plus y square this are consecutive terms of an AP if x, y, z are in AP. हमको show करना है कि AP में है. So we know when 3 terms are in AP, b minus a is equal to c minus a. That funda we know. Yes, students. So similarly, we will say z square plus xz plus x square minus first term, which is x square plus xy plus y square, will be equal to third term, यानी कि y square plus yz plus z square minus the middle term z square plus xz plus x square. Open out the terms, we get z square plus xz plus x square minus x square minus xy minus y square yz z square minus z square minus xz minus x square. What all terms are getting cancelled? Let's check it out. Here the z square is getting cancelled. Then your minus x square is getting cancelled. Cool. Anything else that is getting cancelled, people? Y square is not getting cancelled. चलो फिर जो बचा है उसको लिख लेते हैं. X square plus this xz and this xz together gives me 2 times xz. Then there is a z square also plus z square. There is y square. And taking this xy to the right, we have xy plus yz plus y square. Therefore, ये first 3 terms क्या दे रहा है? x square plus 2xz plus z square is nothing but x plus z the whole square minus y square is equal to, taking y common from here, it's x plus y plus z. a square minus b square का फंडा लगा दो यहाँ पे. a square minus b square का फंडा, it's a plus b into a minus b is equal to y times x plus y plus z. Cancel out x plus y plus z. What do you get? We get x plus z minus y is equal to 1. That is, x plus z is equal to 2 times y. That means what, people? X plus z is equal to 2y. मतलब क्या? Your x, y, z are in AP, and that is what is given in the question. Question में था कि show that this is in AP if x, y, z is in AP. हमने शुरुआत की consider करके कि let the given thing be in AP और प्रूव कर दिया कि XYZ AP में. Hence the question is proved and we have solved it. Have you got this, people? Have you got this? Yes or no? चलो अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर. If A, B, C are in GP, then the value of A minus B upon B minus C is equal to how much? बहुत ही easy question है, very easy question. What do you think? Will you be answering, people? If A, B, C are in GP, we know that. First term is A, second term is AR and third term is AR square. So A minus B upon B minus C क्या हो जाएगा? It's A minus second term B is AR upon AR minus AR square. Taking A common, 1 minus R upon taking AR common, 1 minus R. 1 minus R cancel, A cancel, 1 by R is left. What is the value of this? 1 by R. In other words, we also know yaar, when the three terms are in GP, it implies B by A is equal to C by B. And that's nothing but 1 by R. That's equal to R, to be precise. That's equal to R. So 1 by R क्या होगा? 1 by R will be equal to A by B or B by C. So value of this ratio is nothing but 1 by R, which is same as A by B or B by C. Yes, Mubashir, very correct, very correct. अच्छा मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर बता दो. I am giving you time to solve this question. Between 1 and 31, m numbers are inserted. ठीक है, insertion वाला problem है. In such a way that the resulting sequence is in AP and ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number is 5 by 9. Find the value of m. Options are 68, 1, 14, 13 or 11. You have inserted m numbers. चलो थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंट मैं देते रहूंगी आपको so that you are not stuck anywhere. Are you solving? Omkar, Amog, Mubashir, Pran Krishna, Tejas, are you solving? Ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number. We know that geometric का formula है बच्चा. If you are inserting n terms, so what is the common difference D given by? B minus A upon n plus 1 for n terms insertion. This is how you give the formula of D, common difference. तो अपना B और A का वैल्यू दिया है. Hi Narayan, please solve this question. I have thrown this question to you. You have to solve and tell me the answer. So D क्या होगा? It's B minus A. B is last term, A is your first term. That's 31 minus 1 upon n plus 1. N is number of terms you are inserting. तो यहाँ पे बोला है m terms insert करना है. So m plus 1. So D we are getting as 30 by m plus 1. Done. D का वैल्यू पता चल गया. Next. Ratio of 7th and m minus 1th term is 5 by 9. We know the formula of capital A, where capital A is GP term that is inserted. है ना, जो भी टर्म आप इंसर्ट करते हो उसको कैपिटल A फॉर्मूला है, that is given by A. That is given by what is this? This is an AP, right? So it's given by A plus ND. Any term that you insert is given by the formula A plus N into D. Right. So 7th and m minus 1th term का ratio क्या हो जाएगा? 7th term will be capital A7 upon m minus 1th term is 5 by 9. 7th term is first term plus 7D according to the formula upon A plus m minus 1 into D is 5 by 9. Am I correct? Check out the formula, check out the substitution. A by A7 and m minus 1. Therefore, A is how much? 1 given in the question. 7 times D, how much? Just now we found it's 30 upon m plus 1. Divided by 1 plus m minus 1 into D is 30 upon m plus 1 is 5 by 9. Therefore, let's do the cross multiplication. It's 1 plus 3 7s are 21, 210 upon m plus 1 divided by 1 plus 30m minus 30 upon m plus 1. I okay, is equal to 5 by 9. Simplify further, therefore we get, are you getting m plus 1 plus 2 10, the whole divided by m plus 1 upon m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30 divided by m plus 1 is giving me the answer 5 by 9. Simplify, m plus 1 gets cancelled. Here we have m plus 2 11 upon m and 30 31m. 1 minus 29 is 5 by 9. Cross multiplication, 9m plus 211 into 9, 9 ones are 9 ones are 18 is equal to 31 5s are 155m and 29 5s are 145. Cool. Therefore, taking the m's together and everything, what do you get the value of m? Let's do it. 155 minus 9 is 146m is equal to 1899 plus 145. कितना मिलता है 1899 plus 145 people? 1900, 2000, 2044. So m is equal to 2044 divided by 146. So m is equal to 146, 50, 100, 50, 54, 58, 584, 146, 2 कितना हो जाएगा? Yes, it's roughly 292 का डबल. 292 का डबल, it's 14. m is equal to 14 people. Yes, Mubashir, 14 is the answer. So the correct option was B. B was the correct option. Have you understood, people? Process समझ में आया? क्या किया हमने? Capital A is A plus ND. This was one formula, and D is equal to B minus A upon M plus 1. These two formulas and just condition में डाला. चलो ये वाला एक और वर्ड प्रॉब्लम करते जो आपके मिसलेनियस एंड उसमें से आ गया है एग्जाम्पलर में से. Hi Shaista Aftab, how are you? Come on, be ready with your pen and paper. We are asking questions. I'll be solving one question and I'm asking you one question to solve. Please be ready with the answers. A carpenter was hired to build 192 window frames. The first day he made 5 frames and each day thereafter he made 2 more frames. So 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. How many days did it take him to finish the job? Hi Kushala Madhur. How many days did the carpenter took to finish the job? अच्छा मेरे को बताओ ये SN का प्रॉब्लम है या AN का? इतना सा बता दो. Is it a problem of SN, sum of n terms, or is it a problem of nth term, AN? A very easy question I have asked you, my people. SN or AN, people? Your first term is certainly 5 and each day 2 more frames, so it's an AP. So D constant difference is also 2. अब मेरे को ढूंढना क्या है? ये 192 क्या है? उसको टोटल 192 फ्रेम्स करने. वो SN है या AN है? वो nth टर्म है या सम ऑफ nth टर्म है? ये पता होना चाहिए. You should be able to understand whether this 192 is what. Something is equal to 192. Please tell me what is that. Mubashir, Galat. You want the SN to be equal to 192, बच्चा. कोई बात नहीं. Make a mistake, but learn from it. That's what my whole funda is, yaar. I'm happy if you make a mistake because you will not repeat it again. This is यार उसको टोटल 192 फ्रेम्स बनाने. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि फर्स्ट डे उसने 5 बनाया, दूसरे दिन उसने 7 बनाया, तीसरे दिन 9 बनाया, तो वो 192 कितने दिन में बना रहा है? व्हाट डे ही इज मेकिंग 192? वो नहीं क्वेश्चन है. टोटल 192 फ्रेम्स कितने दिनों में बना देगा वो, है ना? सो वी नो फर्स्ट डे 5, नेक्स्ट डे 7, सो टोटल 12, 12 plus 9, 9 plus 11. So ऐसे yes. So we are going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and solve this question. 192 is equal to, we don't know the value of n, but certainly we know the value of 10 plus n minus 1 into 2. Simplify 192 into 2. 400 में से 16 गया, 384. is equal to 10n, n into 10 plus 2n minus 2. Simplify. Okay, 384 plus 2, 386 is equal to 10n plus 2n, 12n, n is equal to 386. अरे ये तो कुछ गलती हुए है. Have I made some mistake, people? Yes, Kushala, that's right. गलती बताओ, गलती. हाँ, गलती देखो यहाँ पे हुई है. कैसे मुझे समझ में आया? बिकॉज आई नो दैट एस एन है तो एक क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म बनने वाला है. इट शुड नॉट बी लीनियर. दिस इज हाउ व्हाट आई नो. एस एन मीन्स क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म बनना ही चाहिए. सो 384 is equal to 10n plus n into n minus 1 into 2. अब इसको ओपन करिए. 384 is equal to 10n plus 2n square minus 2n. So here we get 2n square, 10n minus 2n is 8n, minus 384 is equal to 0. Simplify, we can divide by 2, n square plus 4n minus 192 equal to 0. It's n minus 12n plus 12 minus 16. क्या आएगा? We want plus 4n, right? So it's plus 16 minus 12. So from here we get n is equal to 12 or n is equal to minus 16. n cannot be negative. So n equal to 12. 12 दिनों में वो बना देता है 192 frames. Yes, right. In 12 days 192 frames is made. Next question is up for you as a challenge. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the AP. है ना, जहाँ पे A1, A2, A3 are the terms of an AP. We know A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is equal to 25. Now this question is using a property. है ना, एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण, important, जरूरी property है AP का. What is that property, Mubashir? If you have an AP से A1, A2, A3 ऐसे आपको AN तक एक AP है. So sum of first and last term is equal to sum of second and second last term is equal to sum of third, which में equal to आएगा, है ना? Third and third last term, and all these are equal to k. एक constant number होता है. First और last term का जो sum है ना, वही second and second last term, third and third last. The terms equidistant from beginning and end are equal. ये ऐसा आपको formula statement आपने पढ़ा होगा. The sum of terms equidistant from beginning and end are equal. You might have heard this. उसको मैंने simple language में बोला. Sum of first and last term is equal to sum of second and second last term, sum of third and third last term, and so on. तो वही वाला फंडा यहाँ पे यूज करो. It's total 24 terms. They are in AP, है ना? A1, A2, A3 are in AP. तो A1, A5, A10, A15, A20, A24 भी AP में होगा, बिकॉज हर एक के बीच में देखो 4 टर्म्स का डिफरेंस है. सब जगह 4 टर्म्स बीच में गायब है. तो जो रिजल्टेंट है, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन AP. This is also an AP. That was the first realization that one should make. कि अगर आपके A1, A2, A3, AN में से अगर मैंने 2 को निकाल दिया, A1, A3, A5, 4 को भी निकाल दिया मैंने, A4, the remaining is also an AP. वैसे बीच के टर्म्स निकाल दिए तो ये AP है. अब now sum of first and last term is equal to A5th plus A20th term. That is equal to, yes, which option is correct? A, B, C, D. A10 and A15th term. ये सब equal है बच्चा. Options are 225, 75, 900 and 780. Which one is correct? Anybody who is watching this video, you need to sit and solve. You need to pause the video and you can solve this right now. First and last term, I am saying all of them are equal. So let me substitute in place of A1 and A24. I will write it as it is. A5 और A20 के जगह में दोबारा I'll write A1 and A24. A10 and A15 के जगह again write A1 and A24, and that's equal to 225. This is 3 times A1 plus A24 is equal to 225. So first and last term summation I am getting equal to be 75. The sum of first and last term is 75. What is required? Sum of first 24 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. चलो अभी तो आंसर बता दो. Sn is n by 2 sum of first and last term. We have got sum of first and last term, people, 75. Substitute over here. We need 24 terms का summation. It's 24 by 2 sum of first and last term, which is 12 into 75. as 24 is 12 into 75. 75 times are 750 and उसमें 150 और add कर दो, 900 is the answer. Do we have such a option? Option number C. Cool, that's right. 9 times the 9th term of an AP is 13 times the 13th term. Then what is the 22nd term? Again the options are 0, 22, 220 and 198. Guys, in the end we have a quiz or a puzzle also, so do stay tuned. 9 times the 9th term is equal to 13 times the 13th term. So 9 into 9th term is A plus 8D, and 13 into 13th term is A plus 12D. Therefore, we have 9A plus 72D is equal to 13A plus 13 12 क्या होता है 140, sorry, 156D. That's equal to, सिंप्लीफाई कर लो इसको, 9A minus 13A is minus 4A is equal to 156 minus 72 कितना होता है ये, इक्वल टू 48, यहाँ पे 6, यहाँ पे 2 8, ओके. Am I correct? So A is equal to minus 21D. This is what we get. 156 minus 72 एक बार चेक कर लो. I'm correct, I feel. And then we want, what is your 22nd term? A22 is A plus 21D. Now A is nothing but minus 21D plus 21D. Answer is 0. So 22nd term is coming out to be equal to 0. That's option number A. And this is an easy but an important question. The minimum value, wherever you catch this word minimum, we know we are going to use the relation AM is greater than or equal to GM. Always this relation will come into picture. What are the terms? 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x. AM is always greater than equal to GM. What is arithmetic mean? It's sum of terms divided by 2. Geometric mean is square root of this term 4x into 4 raised to 1 minus x. Simplify, it's square root of 4 raised to x into 4 upon 4 raised to x. This gets cancelled and अपने को क्या चाहिए? We want the minimum value, right? So 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x is greater than equal to 2 times root 4, which is also 2. That is 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x is always greater than or equal to 4. That tells me the minimum value is equal to 4. Minimum value 4 है क्योंकि हमेशा it is always greater than or equal to 4. So guys, whenever you get minimum, you are going to use the property AM is greater than equal to GM. And last question is here. If A, B, C are 3 consecutive terms of an AP and X, Y, Z are 3 consecutive terms of a GP, then prove that X raised to B minus C into Y raised to C minus A into Z raised to A minus B is equal to 1. I have taken up the LHS. चलो A, B, C AP में है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब B minus A is equal to C minus B is equal to D, right? Also मुझे C minus A भी चाहिए, तो C minus A will be equal to 2 times D. Do you agree with me? C minus A, the first and the last term, the difference will be twice. है ना, बीच में 2 बार डी आ गया। यहाँ पे मुझे b माइनस सी क्या लिखूं मैं, c माइनस b इज d, so b माइनस c will be minus d, c minus a is 2d and a minus b is how much, again minus d. What is 2d? 2d को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे बोल रखा है xyz is in gp, तो इसका मतलब what is that, y square is equal to root of xz, I mean y is equal to root of xz. Y becomes the geometric mean, y is equal to root of xz, so that implies y square is equal to xz. तो इसमें मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लूँ, अभी देखो इसमें x रेज टू माइनस 2 इंटू वाई की जगह मैं लिख सकती हूँ एक्स जेड, है ना, एक्स जेड रेज टू हाफ एंड द होल रेज टू 2d इंटू वाई रेज टू माइनस डी. सिंप्लीफाई, इट्स एक्स रेज टू माइनस डी इंटू एक्स जेड, और ये हाफ और 2 कैंसिल, इट्स एक्स जेड रेज टू डी इंटू वाई रेज टू माइनस डी. That's x raised to minus d into x raised to d, z raised to d, यहाँ पे z है, लास्ट वाला टर्म मैंने गलती से यहाँ पे y लिख दिया, ये z होना चाहिए बच्चा, यहाँ पे z एंड यहाँ पे अगेन z इंटू z raised to minus d. ये कैंसिल, x raised to 0 into z raised to 0, answer is 1. That's your RHS. That's your RHS, people, and you get hence proved. So such were the questions on your sequence and series. I want you all to solve this question, wherein if the sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is 3n plus 2n squared. Hi Anna Blue, please note down the homework because you have come very early. Please note down the homework. Sn is 3n plus 2n square. Find the common difference of the AP. Is it 3, 2, 6 or 4? Will you do this question and tell me in the comment section? Whenever you're watching the video, you have to solve, और ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ लाइव जो है वही लोग आंसर करेंगे. Anybody and anyone who is watching it even later on and you feel that it's helpful, please let me know whether you have solved the question or not. Because that's the only way I can check whether you have watched the video, whether you have understood, followed the things, and you're a little bit disciplined. है ना? So this is the only way I know to bring certain discipline in you. Please tell me Sn is 3n plus 2n square. What is the common difference D for this question in the comment section. Also the quiz puzzle of the day is key door lock room switch on. Arrange the words given above in a meaningful sequence. Answer in the comment section, people. Answer in the comment section. These are the 4-5 words. You have to arrange them in a meaningful sequence. Please think about it and let me know the answer. Also class 12, as I've said, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday we meet, and class 12 Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Next Friday I'm going to take a session on complete formula. Complete formula revision. And that's going to be a super important session. Do not miss it. खबर फैला दो अपने दोस्तों में सब जगह की Varsha Mam is going to bring out a session on complete formula revision. So do that. A happy Pongal, Anna Blue. Yes, happy Pongal, and tomorrow there's Makar Sankranti and जो बोलते हैं अलग अलग languages में लोरी, happy लोरी. कोई आज बोल रहा है, कोई कल बोल रहा है, बट जो भी है बस हैप्पी रहो. हैप्पी रहने का रीजन मिलना चाहिए. एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करो ताकि आप ऐसे एंड में ना ज्वाइन करो हमें. Also keep liking, subscribing and sharing the channel. Once you subscribe, you cannot do it again. So just subscribe and then keep liking NCERT's efforts. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day. I hope this session has helped you all. Take care and keep smiling, people. Varsha Mam squad. I want more people in the next session. तो आ जाइएगा जल्दी से. See you all. Bye bye.